Using the equipment, be sure children, bystanders, and animals are completely away from the work area. Clear the lawn of debris. Clearly mark rocks or other fixed objects. Check for hidden electrical cables or similar things in the surface of the lawn. Put on protective clothing, protective shoes, eye protection, and hearing protection. Now, a look at the sequence of steps involved in starting the engine. First, familiarize yourself with the engine operator controls. To begin, turn the on-off switch on. Turn the fuel lever on. Turn the choke lever on if starting the engine when it's cold. Set the throttle lever to fast idle, which is in the middle. Give a sharp pull on the starter handle to start the engine. Turn the choke off. You may need to move the choke back toward the off position in increments until the engine runs smoothly. For operating an aerator, set the throttle to a speed that enables you to comfortably walk with the machine. For operating a power rake or seeder, set the throttle to fast. To stop the engine, turn the on-off switch to off. Next, in creating a great lawn, aerating. For optimal effectiveness, you should aerate your lawn at least once a year. Spring between March and May, and fall between August and November are the best times to aerate cool season grasses such as fescue, ryegrass, and Kentucky bluegrass. Warm season grasses such as zoysia grass, Bermuda grass, and St. Augustine benefit the most from spring and summer aeration. In drier climates, aeration increases drought resistance while decreasing the amount of watering necessary. Aerating works best when the soil is soft and moist. If you are unsure of the ground condition as in a soil with high clay content, conduct a simple test. Using a garden hand spade or a large screwdriver, you should be able to push the tool into the ground 2 to 3 inches with little effort. If you can't, water the lawn a day before aerating, but be sure the soil is not muddy. The aerator depth control knob allows you to set the coring depth. Turning the knob counterclockwise increases the length of the cores pulled. Turning the knob clockwise decreases coring depth. The rear wheel control handle, when pushed down, places the tines in position on the ground for aerating. Never cross hard surfaces or objects, sidewalks, driveways, stepping stones, and such, with the tines down. The throttle clutch control lever on the handlebar is used to engage the engine. To use the aerator, start the engine. Push down on the rear wheel control handle to lower the aerating tines into the ground. The rear wheels will rise. Push down on the handlebar sufficiently to raise the front wheel. Slowly engage the clutch control lever on the handlebar and aerate. The aerators are not designed to be used on steep slopes. Do not operate this equipment on hills exceeding 35% grade. The machine could roll over. Bluebird's patented freewheeling outer tines make turning the machine easy. The weights on Bluebird aerators can be removed so that the machine can be lifted more easily. Bluebird also offers tow-behind aerators that can be pulled by a garden tractor. These are ideal for large residences and commercial areas. Optional weight containers can be placed on the unit to ensure optimal soil penetration. After aerating, water the lawn and apply fertilizer.